Want your favorite apps to launch automatically when you connect your Galaxy Buds Live? The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra makes it super easy with mood and routine. Let me show you. First, open Setting. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen. Then tap Mood and Routine. Now tap Discover. Scroll down the screen. Under Get the Best Media Experience, choose Play Media with Galaxy Buds Live. Here you will see a preloaded routine with 2 sections. In the If section, you will notice it's set to Bluetooth device. Tap it, then tap Device, and select your Galaxy Buds Live. Make sure Connected is selected, then tap Done. In the Then section, it's set to open an app or do an app action, and the default app is YouTube. At the bottom of the screen, you will see 3 options: Edit to customize or add more action, Share to send this routine to someone else, and Save to keep the routine in your list so you can use it anytime. And that's it. Now, whenever you connect your Galaxy Buds Live, your Galaxy S25 Ultra will automatically open YouTube. This is perfect if you always watch or listen right after putting on your earbud. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.